In this video, we will learn how the Scrum plugin works. First, navigate to the Scrum plugin by clicking on the icon. The Scrum plugin is designed specifically for agile integration. On the left side of the interface, you'll find the Scrum navigation panel, which provides quick access to various Scrum categories. Epics are high-level containers that group related features and user stories. Features represent mid-level tasks that describe specific functionality. User stories are smaller tasks that define increments of work from the user's perspective. Sprints allow users to link epics, features, and user stories to specific sprints using a drop-down menu. By default, the Scrum plugin opens with the Epics tab selected. When entering the plugin for the first time, the project lead can either create new epics or import existing ones from external sources. To do this, click the button in the top right corner to either create a new epic or import from an external source. To create a new epic, click on the Create Epic button, which will open a side tab where you can enter details like the title, description, related documentation URLs, and the sprint it belongs to. You can also add tags. Once you've completed all fields, click the Create button at the bottom of the page. To import an epic, click on the Import button, then use the Browse button to navigate to the file you want to import. You can also drag and drop the file into the designated area. Supported formats are Excel files, with a size limit of 50 megabytes. Once a file is selected, you'll see its name, size, and upload status displayed. Next, you'll be directed to the Column Mapping section. This interface displays columns from the uploaded file and allows you to map them to the appropriate fields in the Scrum plugin. Fields such as ID, title, description, URL, sprint, and tags can be mapped. Toggle switches allow you to enable or disable specific fields. Once you're done, click Import to complete the process, or select Cancel to stop. After the import is completed, all epics from the file will appear in the Scrum plugin with imported items highlighted in green. Now that we've seen how epics can be imported from an external Excel file, it's important to note that the process is similar for other elements. You can also create and import features, user stories, and sprints from external system in much the same way. Just follow the same steps to ensure accurate integration of data, whether you're working with epics, features, or user stories. This makes it easy to manage all your work items within the Scrum plugin efficiently.